So we headed out the door. We going to a fireworks show. Excuse our mess right now. We tried to rearrange a lot last night and we didn't finish. We didn't have the baby last night. It was his first sleepover at grandma's house. And so we're doing 2 fireworks shows 2 days in a row. We did one last night. Now we're headed out to our second one. We're gonna go eat at Maddie's first. And I have the most annoying hiccups ever. Here we go. This thing we're doing fireworks at is like a really cool event that a lot of people from China, is that where they're from?
Yeah.
A lot of people from China are running. It's called the Festival of Lights, and it's in San Antonio. They make these really cool light sculptures on the spot, and also they sell a bunch of really cool like artsy stuff, and they have fireworks, which is what we do there. And so yeah, I'll show you all that stuff later when we get there. We are sitting in some major traffic here. Very inconvenient. Okay, we are going to Maddie's. Took us forever to get here because of traffic, but here we are. So hungry. We love chips and salsa. They're our favorite, right? But who doesn't love chips and salsa? He just brought us our breakfast tacos. Yummy. Eggs, peppers, tomatoes, onions, little chips, cheese. And we got queso.
It's 5 p.m. We're eating breakfast.
And we got some margaritas. Yeah. Breakfast of champions. All right, so we just finished eating at Maddie's, and the guy was taking forever to get our payment from the table. And we're in kind of a rush because we have to make it to the fireworks show by 6:30, which is in San Antonio. Right now, we're in Austin still, so we have like an hour at least to drive, and we want to get some coffee. So I'm headed to Randall's right now to get some coffee for us from the Starbucks that's inside, while Patrick sits at Maddie's and waits to pay the check. So here we go, coffee time. I got our normal Starbucks, just plain coffee with agave and a little bit of cream. It's always pretty cheap, only like $5 for 2 big old venti coffees. Usually they put the agave and stuff in them, but they didn't do it, so I have to do it this time. These packets are kind of hard to open, so it might take a second. Oh, and it's organic. Very nice. I like my method. I use the stir to hold on the lid while I pour in these little agave packets. There he is. I don't think he saw me. Better just take this to the car. That's only 3. Alrighty. That one's done. Give it a little stir. They didn't put the half and half in there for me either. I had to do that myself too. Whatever, man. Oh, wow. Just spilt it all over the place. Number 2. Alright. All done. Here we go. We got our coffee, getting crunk, and it's getting dark outside. It's almost 6 o'clock. We are driving to the fireworks show. Trying to get pumped up. Traveling through the alien time. song for when they will overtake the planet. This is their founding father. We're listening to some really eerie music, and it looks really eerie outside as well. We are finally here, running late, and I have to rush inside. Gonna run up to the top of this building right here, get all set up to go. Here we go. Here we are, walking fast. I've only been here once before, so don't really know the way. Ta-da! Here's the haunted floor. Hello. This is where the roof is, up these really steep stairs. Scary. Hello. Howdy. We are here, the roof. And here's the roof. This is where we shoot them off. It's pretty cool up here. You can see the whole festival from up here. Whoa. There's all the people waiting for the fireworks. Oh hey, Santa's here today. He wasn't here yesterday when I was here. Anyway, they have like a little carnival thing over there. These light setups that people from China came. They built these on the spot apparently. Like welded them and everything right there. They're super cool. Anyway, I'll get some more stuff when I'm down there later, but right now we're just about to set off the fireworks soon, so gotta be up here. Oh my gosh, guys, I'm up on this haunted roof by myself. Everybody left me, including Patrick. He had to go to the bathroom. Yay, he's back. I was scared. That was so fast. I saw a ghost while you were gone. He was back there. Look at this. Dun, 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 dun. Apparently the show's not starting till 7:45 today, when it's been starting at 7:30 the past couple days. Still have a little bit of time left. Alright, we're already done. Unfortunately, I couldn't film the actual fireworks because I was helping work them, so we're just cleaning up. Need some water. Filming while getting water out of water fountain's really hard. I better hurry or I'm gonna be left alone in the haunted hallway. So I'm still interested in all the sights, and they've been here like 20 times or something, so they're like trying to get out of here. Where did they go? Ah, here they go. Loading up. All right, short and sweet.
See you tomorrow. Yep.
All right. Bye.
Yeah. Thank you.
All right, heading back.
You'll be here tomorrow, right? Yeah. See you then.
I won't. Now we're driving back home.
Yeah.
We only stay there from 6:30 until now we're leaving at 8.
Depending on the day.
Depending on the day. So it's a fun job. Now the ride home back to Austin, and we get to see our baby now. that we haven't seen since yesterday at 5 p.m. I'm excited. He's at my mom's house, so we're headed there now. Alright, we just got our baby back from Grandma's house. How was it, bud? You have fun? What? Oh, I'm mad at Mommy for leaving me for a whole night and a whole day. Aren't you, bud? Yeah. And now we're getting Sonic, slushy, and some fries. We're so happy to have our baby back again. Yeah.